What if you could cook the perfect steak, brisket, or chicken without opening the grill even once? The MEATER Pro XL promises exactly that. A fully wireless, smart cooking experience designed to remove the guesswork and give you perfect results every time. But after testing it, the real question is whether it's just another expensive gadget or a serious upgrade for backyard cooks. For current pricing and availability, you can check the link in the description. The MEATER Pro XL comes with 4 completely wireless probes and a built-in Wi-Fi charging block, letting you track multiple cuts of meat from virtually anywhere. Setup is fast, and the app immediately guides you through selecting your meat, doneness level, and cooking method. From there, it calculates estimated cook time, monitors internal temperature, and even tells you when to remove the meat and let it rest. What makes it stand out is reliability. The connection stays stable, the temperature readings are precise, and the predictive cooking feature is surprisingly accurate. Whether you're smoking brisket low and slow or searing steaks hot and fast, it takes the stress out of timing. The MEATER Pro XL isn't cheap, but for serious grillers, it feels less like a thermometer and more like an autopilot for perfect meat.